Fastrack Reflex 2.0 Activity Tracker is a smartwatch. The black watch has a rectangular dial made of acrylic with black band made of TPU. It comes with various features like it has touch screen to begin with and is water resistant. If you find clicking pictures on your phone a hassle, it helps you to control your phone camera. It also helps you stay fit by features like distance, steps and calorie counter. It has other special features like vibrating alarm, call notification, WhatsApp message display and SMSs. The battery lasts up to 10 days once charged. Along with these, it also has a special feature of phone finder. The watch comes with a 1 year of manufacturer warranty.